the downstairs will be done, but let's get to it.
And now, if you guys don't mind, I actually like listening to the sounds of a POV cleaning up. So let me know if you guys enjoyed as well. I'm not going to talk throughout the whole thing. It's a very long video, okay? It was a very long night. So enjoy the video, and I will pop in every now and then as I, have something to say. Okay, I hope you guys don't mind me popping in here, but I'm so excited for Vegas. My husband and I are going for our anniversary. We've been married now since 2013, so that's 12 years married, but we've been together for 16 years, and we hardly ever do anything where it's just him and I. Like, we'll go have a lunch date or something, but to go on a vacation, just us two, is kind of a big deal. I have to admit, a lot of the times, it's probably my fault, because when we are out, I feel like bad if the kids are missing out on something. But I have to admit, I am really excited to just spend time with my husband and go explore Vegas together. We have 3 things planned on our must-do list. One is eat some really good food. The second is to go and see the garden in Bellagio. It's one of my favorite things over there. And then on Sunday, we are going to go to the Sphere and watch The Wizard of Oz. Also, in case you were wondering, I'm currently listening to Miley Cyrus, and the album is Plastic Hearts. It's one of my favorites. I should also have videos coming out very soon regarding all the outfits I'm gonna wear, getting ready for Vegas, what we did in Vegas, and where we ate in Vegas. So make sure you guys are looking out for those videos. Bonus point if you can count how many times I said Vegas in this video. And this is me pointing out to you what I need to pick up, but it's funnier if I tell you that I'm trying to cast a magic spell. And this is me realizing I'm not actually Matilda, and I do have to pick everything up and put it away myself. Also, I cannot get enough of this pitter patter of me walking around on this super speed mode. Just listen to the feet. Yeah, I was so tired at this point. I just started throwing all the rest of the shoes in the closet because I was done. I was very done.
I'm really tired. I want to go to bed, but I just know I'm not going to get it done tomorrow. If I don't do it today, it's not going to get done. It's 2:18 in the morning. This is just water, by the way. I need to knock out after this, so no coffee.
You guys have seen me open these boxes before, but I do subscribe and save with Amazon. I order our normal things that we get delivered or that we need every single month, and it just gets delivered straight to our house. Things like trash bags and detergent and shampoo, conditioner, body wash, toothpaste even. I talk about this a lot, but I found some stuff with good prices that we like and enjoy, and then I just keep track of them because you will notice if you just leave things for a while, the prices will go up and they won't tell you. So you do got to pay attention, especially if that's something that is important to you. And yes, we are sticking stuff in the closet. It's late, I'm tired, and at this point, I really don't care. And then I also had Chewy boxes, which is the same thing except with our pet food and supplies.
So this is what it's looking like now. It's like almost 3 o'clock in the morning. I'm all done with the downstairs. Like, well, I'm not all done, but I accept what the downstairs looks like as of now. Upstairs is a whole other story. Like, there's a pile here. There's a pile at the top of stuff.